82% of small businesses fail for one specific reason: cash flow problems. Not a lack of profit, but a lack of available cash. A company can record its best quarter ever, logging thousands in net income, and still run out of money to make payroll the following week. The tool that prevents this is a 13-week rolling cash flow forecast. It functions exactly like a GPS for your business checking account. In the next 6 minutes, we are going to build this forecast step by step in a spreadsheet, so you can map your exact cash position 90 days into the future. Before we start, you need 3 things: a blank spreadsheet, a live login to your business bank account, and access to your accounting software, like QuickBooks or Xero. Running a business on past revenue alone is like driving while only looking in the rearview mirror. To survive, you need to see the road ahead. Step 1 starts at the very top of your spreadsheet. Label your first row, opening balance. Left, a P&L statement shows steady profit growth. Right, cleared cash drops towards zero. For step 1, ignore your accounting dashboard balance. Instead, log into your bank portal, find your actual cleared cash balance, and type it into week 1, row 1. Accrual accounting records money when you send an invoice, but you cannot pay your employees with an invoice that hasn't cleared yet. Now step 2, map your expected cash inflows week by week across the spreadsheet. When projecting outstanding invoices, use the 80% rule. Only factor in 80% of your expected receivables to insulate your business against late payers. This timeline shows how e-commerce platform payouts arrive at different speeds. Stripe and Shopify usually settle by day 3, but Amazon disbursements take up to 15 days. You must manually place these incoming payouts into the exact future weeks they hit your bank account. Step 3 is mapping your cash outflows. Plot standard expenses like payroll runs, your monthly rent, and supplier payment terms. You also need to manually input the expenses that do not arrive on a standard monthly schedule. Find your quarterly estimated IRS tax dates and state sales tax remittance deadlines, and type them into their respective future weeks. Plotting these variables reveals expense clusters. These are the moments when a major supplier bill, a quarterly tax payment, and a payroll run all land precisely during an Amazon payout gap. Step 4 connects the data with math to calculate your closing balance. Here is the operational equation for your forecast. Take your opening balance, add inflows, subtract outflows, and you get your closing balance. Drag this formula across all 13 columns. Ensure each week's closing balance carries forward to the next week's opening balance. Next, determine your minimum cash buffer. For most product businesses, this is an absolute floor, equal to 4 weeks of operating expenses. Apply conditional formatting to your closing balance row. Set a rule so that any cell dropping below your 4-week buffer instantly turns bright red. When a future week flashes red in your spreadsheet, you have found a danger zone. The pressure is building, but the break hasn't happened yet. Identifying a cash shortfall 8 weeks in advance gives you time to defer a payment, arrange a credit line, or run a promotion. You turn an immediate financial emergency into a calm, solvable negotiation. You have successfully converted a theoretical profit margin into a clear 90-day line of sight for your actual cash. To keep this tool working, set a maintenance routine. Block 20 minutes on your calendar every Monday morning to update the prior week's actual numbers and roll the forecast forward. However, relying on manual data entry is where this process is most likely to fail. If your bookkeeping falls behind or you enter a payout cycle incorrectly, the forecast breaks down. For founders who want to skip the manual spreadsheet maintenance entirely, Taxwell Advisory provides a powerful, automated alternative. This dashboard is Taxwell's BankMatch AI. It automatically connects to your accounts, reconciles bank feeds and platform payouts, and delivers a fully updated 13-week forecast overnight, every single night. Click the link below to see how Taxwell Advisory handles the financial math for you. We take over the forecasting, freeing you to focus purely on business growth.